Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can delete Dropbox files from your PC or laptop. To do so, simply go onto your Google Chrome browser and open up Dropbox. From there, log into your account. After logging into your account, you will be on the home page or all files option of Dropbox, and here you can see that this is a file that I have in my Dropbox. To delete it from your Dropbox from your PC, all you have to do is hover your mouse over it and you can see all of these options pop up, where this is to copy the link and to edit as well, and this the three dots option for more. If you click on it, you can see all of these options like file info, share and copy link, manage permission, and many more. If you scroll down on this scroll, you'll be able to see a delete option as well. If you simply click on delete and after that confirm your action on your Dropbox, you can see that the item has been deleted from my Dropbox. And that is how you can delete the item or any kind of data from your Dropbox on your PC. This was this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.